Here are 5 gateway drugs to get into cloud engineering with AWS. Disclaimer, if you have an addictive personality, you may want to scroll now because even though AWS gives you free samples to start with, you are going to be coming back for more. Starting with the basics, the building blocks of AWS have got to be EC2 instances. Think of these as computers in the cloud that you can spin up and down at will. Sure, you could run your entire application on your personal computer, but you'd need to keep that running 24/7, plus your cat might end your entire career with a gentle stroll across the keyboard. Gateway drug number 2 is AWS's fully managed relational database services. Fully managed is just developer for headache-free. Need to migrate to a larger database? Say less. Need regular backups of all your databases? Don't even stress. No need to worry about servers, deployments, or even managing resources. Just write some code, paste it on the code editor, hit deploy, you are good to go. And AWS Lambdas integrate with so many other AWS services, so your code can be triggered by a lot of things and it can trigger a lot of other things. Amazon S3 was the very first service AWS shipped, and it is still one of the most popular services in use today. Instead of storing your images and videos as binaries in your database, you want to use S3 buckets. You can store anything and stream anything from S3 buckets, which is why companies like Netflix are built on top of them. And finally, SQS is the distributed messaging system that your AWS services need to talk to one another and scale independently of one another.